Hi, I'm Lielette Calleja. I'm the Director of All That Counts. Now I'm really excited to share with you some things on Single Touch Payroll. We've been working with some businesses already, helping them to migrate to a new system, helping them understand everything there is about Single Touch Payroll. So what is Single Touch Payroll, or STP as we call it? It's the biggest thing to happen in our industry since GST. So we wanted to help ease some of that pain and arm you with all the information you need to successfully talk to your clients about STP and move forward with the best solution. So what is Single Touch Payroll? Single Touch Payroll is a new initiative from the Australian Tax Office that's changing the way Australian businesses report their pay-as-you-go and super information. The new change means employers need to report PAYG and super amounts to the ATO with every pay run created. Now, instead of reporting every month or quarter, you are reporting at the completion of every pay event. So what does Single Touch Payroll mean for your business? To become Single Touch Payroll compliant, you'll need to conform to the new digital reporting requirement. Now this means using a cloud solution that connects directly with the Australian Tax Office, so you can report your payroll details electronically every single pay run. By reporting directly to the ATO, employers will no longer be required to complete PAYG payment summaries. Now that has to be a good thing for all bookkeepers and accountants. Employees will see their pay information through MyGov site. What is MyGov site? It is a portal for employees to access directly. It is where everything will be stored and pre-filled for them. So what is your role as an advisor? Your role is to inform, engage, communicate and roll out an STP-ready solution, should they need it. So let's try starting here. Let's look at some of the things that are important for you to do. Number one, identify those who are not yet using any form of digital payroll and talk to them about the expected changes. This is an opportunity to get those clients who are not electronically or digitally engaged onto an accounting platform and make yours and their lives a lot simpler. Number two, assist your clients to talk to their employees. Like I said, MyGov is something new to them. So put out a communication piece, engage with them, let them know that you are confident and that you are backing the whole Single Touch Payroll initiative. And number three, factor in a one-off STP setup fee. Don't leave money on the table. This is an opportunity for you to earn additional revenue. And number four, acquire the software and review the setup and processes and provide training. Again, don't leave money on the table. This is an opportunity for you to bill for your time with this setup. Now, most of you might be already charging a fixed fee to do accounting, tax and bookkeeping. This is in addition, so don't leave money on the table. So what's next for your firm? If you run payroll for your business or for a client, you'll need a payroll solution that is Single Touch Payroll compliant. And that's where QuickBooks Online comes in. Their integrated payroll solution comes with STP already built in. Not only is it a fantastic payroll solution, it is already STP compliant. So whatever your business, you can pay staff with ease and confidence. So you can now get back to doing what you do best, and that's running your business. QuickBooks, back in you.